Have you ever noticed how your legs seem to get weaker or less steady as you grow older? What if I told you that your legs, the very foundation of your mobility and independence, are often the first to show signs of aging? Without proper care, they could lose strength faster than you might imagine. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive treatments or endless exercise routines to keep your legs strong and healthy. In this video, we're uncovering the science-backed secrets to maintaining strong, mobile legs, no matter your age. We'll reveal 3 essential foods that every senior should include in their daily diet to prevent muscle loss, reduce joint pain, and maintain stability. These powerful foods can even help you avoid serious conditions like sarcopenia and osteoporosis, which can threaten your independence as you get older. If you're not subscribed, I recommend subscribing and turning on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Your support means a lot to me, and if you enjoy this video, please like and share it. If you like the topic of this video, please comment 1. If not, comment 0 to let me know how I can improve and create even better content for you. Now let's begin. Food number 1, protein-rich foods. As we gracefully age, one of the most important and often overlooked ways to preserve our health is to focus on nourishment, especially protein. Protein isn't just any macronutrient. It's the cornerstone of muscle maintenance and repair, the invisible thread that holds our bodies together and keeps us moving with strength and vitality. Think of protein as the foundation of a house. Without it, everything else crumbles. This becomes even more critical for older adults as we enter our 60s and beyond, because our muscles are constantly being broken down and rebuilt. Protein plays a pivotal role in repairing and growing muscle tissue. Every time we move, walk, stand, or even sit, our muscles are at work, and they need proper nutrition to function optimally. This is particularly true for our legs, which support everything we do. They carry us from place to place. Whether it's simply moving across the room, climbing stairs, or enjoying a walk in the park. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at maintaining muscle mass, a natural decline known as sarcopenia, which many of us will eventually face. It can feel overwhelming and frustrating as we notice ourselves getting weaker, feeling more fatigued, and struggling with tasks that once seemed effortless. But here's the truth. This process doesn't have to be inevitable. With the right approach to nutrition, especially proper protein intake, we can slow the effects of aging on our muscles and even reverse some of the damage. Protein is the key that unlocks the door to maintaining muscle mass and ultimately mobility. Imagine the freedom of moving through your days with the strength and confidence that comes from taking care of your body. Protein helps ensure that the muscles in your legs and throughout your entire body stay strong, functional, and capable of carrying you through life. There are so many wonderful protein-rich foods to explore. Whether you're a meat lover, vegetarian, or vegan, you can find plenty of options. For non-vegetarians, lean meats like chicken, turkey, and beef provide excellent sources of high-quality protein, filled with the amino acids your muscles need for repair after physical activity. But don't stop there. Consider fish too. Fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel are not only packed with protein but also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are incredibly beneficial for joint health. And of course, there are eggs, a simple yet powerful food that has been a dietary staple for centuries. Eggs are a treasure trove of essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, all of which help repair and build muscle tissue. They're versatile and can be easily added to almost any meal. It's important to understand just how crucial protein is for leg strength. Without enough protein, your muscles won't have the fuel they need to stay strong, which can lead to a gradual loss of muscle mass, especially in the legs, the foundation that supports your weight and enables everyday activities. Unfortunately, many people only realize the importance of protein when they start experiencing the effects of muscle loss. Research has shown that a diet rich in protein can help prevent sarcopenia, reduce the risk of falls, and improve overall mobility. Ensuring you get enough protein every day is one of the most effective ways to prevent muscle loss and maintain your independence as you age. If you're wondering how to incorporate more protein into your diet, it's easier than you might think. A simple strategy is to add a protein-rich food to every meal. For breakfast, consider a couple of scrambled eggs or an omelet filled with vegetables, which not only provides protein but also fiber. For lunch, enjoy a protein-packed salad with grilled chicken or tuna, topped with a variety of colorful vegetables. At dinner, savor a lean cut of beef or a hearty lentil stew, both delicious, satisfying, and rich in protein. Snacks are also a great opportunity to boost your protein intake. A handful of almonds, a Greek yogurt parfait, or a protein bar can offer that extra nourishment your muscles need between meals. If you find it challenging to get enough protein from whole foods alone, consider supplementing your diet with protein shakes or powders, which are often designed specifically for seniors and enhanced with additional vitamins and minerals to support bone and joint health. However, choose supplements carefully. Look for products that are free of excess sugars and artificial additives. Also, spreading your protein intake evenly throughout the day is more effective than consuming it all at once. Your body absorbs protein best when it's distributed in smaller doses across meals. Aim for about 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal, roughly the amount in a palm-sized portion of chicken, 2 eggs, or a cup of beans. This steady supply of amino acids is essential for muscle repair and growth. If you're unsure how much protein you need, don't hesitate to consult a nutritionist or healthcare provider. Knowing the right balance for your body is crucial for a long and healthy life. Food number 2, omega-3, fatty acids. As we journey through life, aging brings inevitable wear and tear on our bodies, and one of the most significant challenges is maintaining our physical strength and mobility. Over the years, even simple actions like getting out of bed or climbing stairs can become more challenging due to joint pain, stiffness, and muscle discomfort. This is where omega-3 fatty acids come into play, a vital nutrient that can profoundly influence how we age by keeping our legs strong and our joints healthy. Omega-3s are much more than just another health trend. They are essential for long-term health, especially as we get older. Chronic inflammation becomes more prevalent in our bodies as we age, contributing to painful conditions like arthritis, joint stiffness, and muscle fatigue. These inflammatory processes can leave us feeling achy and exhausted, gradually eroding our mobility. The beauty of omega-3 fatty acids lies in their potent anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing the inflammation that builds up in our joints and muscles, omega-3s help ease discomfort and stiffness, making everyday tasks feel less daunting. In my own experience, incorporating omega-3 rich foods into my diet has not only improved my physical mobility, but also sharpened my mental clarity and overall well-being. What makes omega-3s so powerful is their ability to combat the insidious inflammation that gradually chips away at our muscle strength and joint flexibility. The best sources of omega-3s include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna, which provide highly bioavailable forms of EPA and DHA, two of the most important omega-3 fatty acids. These fish not only offer protein, but also support joint health through their anti-inflammatory effects. If you're not particularly fond of fish or find it difficult to consume enough omega-3s through diet alone, there are plenty of plant-based alternatives. Chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts, and hemp seeds are excellent sources of ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Incorporating these foods into your meals is both easy and enjoyable. Imagine a hearty salmon salad for dinner or a morning yogurt topped with chia seeds. And if you need additional omega-3s, supplements like fish oil or plant-based algae oil can be considered, though it's best to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Food number 3, vitamin D and calcium-rich foods. As we age, it becomes increasingly clear how essential it is to care for our bones and muscles, especially in our legs, which serve as the foundation of our mobility. There is a profound connection between the nutrients we consume and the health of our bones and muscles, with calcium and vitamin D standing out as the two most critical nutrients. These nutrients do more than just help you stand tall. They are the very foundation that supports your strength, mobility, and independence. Unfortunately, as we grow older, our bones naturally lose density, becoming more fragile and prone to fractures. Conditions like osteoporosis can develop stealthily, leaving us vulnerable to breaks and injuries that can drastically affect our quality of life. This is where the synergistic relationship between calcium and vitamin D comes into play. Calcium is the essential building block of our bones, and without enough calcium, our bones become weak. However, calcium on its own isn't sufficient. Our bodies need vitamin D to absorb and utilize that calcium properly. Think of calcium as the bricks and vitamin D as the mortar that holds them together. Without adequate vitamin D, even a high calcium intake won't prevent bone deterioration, and muscle weakness can also set in, affecting your mobility and balance. Many seniors struggle to get enough vitamin D from sunlight, whether due to limited outdoor activity or living in areas with long winters, making dietary sources even more critical. Dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese are excellent sources of calcium and are often fortified with vitamin D, offering a double benefit. For those who are lactose intolerant or prefer non-dairy options, plant-based milks like almond, soy, or oat milk are often fortified with both calcium and vitamin D. Additionally, leafy greens like kale, bok choy, and collard greens provide calcium along with other vital nutrients. Despite these food sources, many people find it challenging to meet their vitamin D requirements solely from diet, so supplements, particularly vitamin D3, the most bioavailable form, can be incredibly effective. A simple breakfast of fortified oatmeal with fresh fruit and a glass of fortified orange juice, a salad with cheese or yogurt for lunch, and a dinner featuring salmon with a side of steamed broccoli can create a powerful nutritional combination that supports bone and muscle health. Spreading your intake of calcium and vitamin D throughout the day is essential for maintaining strong bones, preventing muscle weakness, and reducing the risk of falls. With the right combination of these nutrients, you can help slow the natural decline in bone density and preserve your ability to move freely and independently. If you're still with me and find these insights helpful, please comment one below to let me know you're on this journey with me. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, your legs are the foundation of your mobility and independence. Nourish them with protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D and calcium-rich foods, and you'll be well on your way to staying strong, moving freely, and enjoying every moment. Please like, share, and subscribe so you never miss more tips on living a healthy, independent life. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.